Morning, boys and girls. Welcome to our Thursday math lesson. Today we are going to keep talking about shapes. All right, so let's get into it. We're going to talk about flat shapes today. So I know this might be really easy, but for some of our friends it's not. So the more we practice, the more we learn, and the more we learn, the more we grow. All right, so let's get started. We are going to talk about first the rectangle. The rectangle has how many sides on it? Can you please count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. How many corners does it have? Can you count the corners with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 corners. Now, something else we're going to talk about is the size of shapes. This rectangle is big, and this rectangle is small. So we're taught this is big, and this is small. Now, even though they're different sizes, they're still the same shape. And even if we turn on like this, they're still a rectangle. They still have 2 long sides and 2 short sides. All right, our next shape is going to be a square. So let's count the sides of a square. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 sides just like a rectangle, except on a square, they're all the same length. So there's not any that are longer or shorter like on a rectangle. All right, let's count the corners next. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 corners. Now this square is what? Big or small? It's big, and this one is small. And even if we turn them like this, it's still a square. It's still the same shape. All right, our next one is a circle. A circle has how many sides? It has 0 sides for some people to think, or it has just 1 side to it. How many corners does a circle have? 0. Now this circle is what? Big or small? It's big, and this one is small. So no matter the size of a shape, it's still the same shape. Our next one that we're going to do is a triangle. Let's count the sides of our triangle. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 sides on a triangle. Let's circle the corners. 1, 2, 3. How many corners does a triangle have? 3. Now this triangle is big and this triangle is small. And remember, even if we turn them to where they don't really look the same, they're still a triangle because they still have 3 sides and 3 corners. Our next one is a hexagon. This is a new shape that we're learning about today. It has how many sides? Are you ready? Count with me. We're going to cross off and count just like our regular counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A hexagon has 6 sides. How many corners does a hexagon have? Let's circle and count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has 6 sides and 6 corners. Alright, boys and girls, our pages for today, we're going to switch over to our math book. We are practicing drawing these shapes. So you guys get to practice a big circle and a small circle, a small square and a big square. So remember, even if they're different size, they're still the same shape. You get to do a big triangle and a small triangle. Remember, the word that starts with the S is small when you stretch it out, and the word that starts with the B is big when you stretch it out and read it, okay? So you get to do a triangle, rectangle, and a hexagon, and then that is for tomorrow. So you guys have these workbook pages, and then you guys have the extra practice pages where you get to match the shapes. And this is where we practice to where even if they were turned, they're still the same shape. Alright, boys and girls, good luck, and I will see you guys in our next lesson.